Stop what you're doing. Let's try this SAT math problem together. A coin toss board is shown above. If square ABCD has a perimeter of 64, what is the probability of a coin landing on the shaded region? First, we hear that we have a square that's a perimeter of 64. So 64 divided by 4 is going to give us each of the 4 side lengths. It's a square. They're all going to be equal. So now we know that 16 is the side length. Hey, this gives us the diameter of our circle, and we're going to need the radius. Then the radius is half of the side length. That's 8. Let's find the area of the square. An area of a square is base times height, length times width, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's 16 squared, and you get 256. Area of the circle now is pi r squared. Let's plug in that radius of 8, square the 8, and we get 64 pi. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Let's take the total area of the square minus the total area of the circle. That's going to give us those pieces outside the circle, but we just want one of them, and so we're going to divide it by 4. So when you reduce this down, it reduces down nicely. You get 64 minus 16 pi. Remember though, we don't just want the area of that shaded region, we want the probability. So we're going to put that over the entire area of the square, which is 256. When you look at our answers, it's clear pi needs to be turned to a decimal. So 16 times 3.14 is 50.24. Subtract the top numbers and then divide the thing, and guess what? Your probability is 0.053.